record all
Hey.
your unboxings.
Hey guys, I got this at the store. Amazing Spider-Man web shooter, and I don't know do unboxing videos that much, but yeah. So yeah. Okay, so it says 2-in-1 shooters. Web fluid or water, so you can fill it up with water if you wanted. And here's what it looks like. It's got a good picture. Comes with spider glove, warning, choking hazard, mega blaster web shooter with glove. You look Spider-Man. Okay, on the side we have Spider-Man. Just like sitting there. On the other side, using Spider-Man logo. Here. It says get other products, chest light, mask, FX glove, each sold separately. On the back, it shows the web fluid can, refillable water cartridge, one Spider-Man glove, and the Mega Blaster web shooter, which does have the Spider-Man thing on there. There's a water web. So let's unbox this thing up. I got it cut. Okay. Okay. So I guess here we have the glove. This is what like attaches to your hand, I guess. The two containers. Web fluid. It's hard to unbox this. Oh, got scissors here. Okay, first thing, Spider-Man Spidey Shot web fluid. See that there? Warning, something. Here, here's second thing, where you fill it up with water. I wanted to do that. Here is a Spider-Man glove. Put that on. Cool glove. That is awesome. That is really good. Okay, so it's third thing, Spidey glove. Fourth.
There's also a twist from below, underneath.
Spider-Man thing that you press on your hand, like you press down like that to get the webs going. Fifth thing here is the thing. It's like supposed to Velcro it to your hand, I guess. And then the last final thing is Spider-Man web shooter. So there you have it. I'm going to get this all assembled, and we will meet you outside. Hey, here it is. It's all took me assembled it. It took a while. That was kind of hard. I mean, like for you guys who just watching the video, just skip to the next part. But it took a while to get the can in there. And yes, we did use the web. We are using the web fluid. And I did notice something. On here, it's blue. It is like that in the movie. Well, on the box, it's silver. If you can, if you want to go back, see that, you can. So it's okay. So I use web shooter. Web shooter. Oh. Okay, fans. If you want to know what the web looks like, here it is. It's just blue silly string. It's not that good quality as in the commercial. It is really awesome. But if you kind of run out of if you run out of web fluid, it might be a kind of so yeah, you just if you shoot forward, it kind of makes a web flurry, like if you were gonna shoot at bad guys. Because I guess since it's like kind of not full all the way, if you shoot up, it makes the straight webs. Wow, that's a lot of silly string. Woo! Look at that. It's a web. So, it is really awesome. It's an awesome product. But if you're a Spider-Man fan like me, you would love this thing. It makes you like Spider-Man. So, yeah, it is